Hi, my name is Kevin Minton, owner of Specialty Flooring over in Okatee, South Carolina. We are a full-service flooring company offering sales, installation, sanding, and refinishing of hardwood floors. We service the Beaufort, Bluffton, and Hilton Head market. Our services include sanding and refinishing of new and existing hardwood floors. We also offer installation of engineered and solid hardwood flooring, as well as hardwood floor cleaning and recoating. Our clients tell us they love our clean, happy, respectful crews and the quality of work that we provide. They love that we run all of our sanders to a dust containment system, and we are guaranteeing at the end of our completion that the home is just as clean, if not cleaner, than when we started. They also love that we offer a choice of high quality, durable finishes with low smell that are fast drying to get the customer back into their home as soon as possible. You're welcome to come to our showroom in Okatee, or we can come to your home and give you a quote on site. I'll sit down with you, take a look at your project, answer all of your questions, and provide you with an option that will fit your budget. So to get in touch with us, please contact us at the number below or fill out a request on our website. We look forward to hearing from you.